Hey, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to POD, Plenty O Disney. Today's going to be a quick one. I just got a package from D23 from, I guess, the Membership Fulfillment Center. And it's right here, and I'm going to see what I got. It's either my welcome pack or the magazine. So, I'll take the razor and see what's in here. Let's do it. Let's see what we got. All right, don't want to cut myself. Put that down. We have, it looks like this month's D23 magazine. As you can see there, looks pretty nice. It has turning red on the front and the back. So I guess that means my welcome pack doesn't come until later. They did say it was going to ship in the summer, but let me open this. Let me just open it. All right. I don't know why it had to come in a box like a package, but yep, it's the D23 magazine, spring 2022. All right. Well, better luck next time. Hopefully the next package will be my membership cards and I believe all my D23 tickets and tags to get in. So we'll see you on the next video. Peace, guys.